So going back to this concept of masking and using the paintbrush tool to refine our selections. Again, I create a selection. I click this button, second one from the bottom of the toolbar. That converts it into a mask. Previously, you saw when I painted with black, it then covered up that selection area. However, if I paint with white, I can now increase that selection area. And of course, you can change the size of your brush or the size of this diameter to make it more specific or more loose, whatever. And once I exit out of this quick mask mode by clicking the same button, second one from the bottom of the toolbar, the area that's fully visible becomes my selection. So it's just a different way to do it, okay? You're using a feature called the quick mask mode, which allows you to utilize the paintbrush tool in order to refine your selections. That's all you're doing.
Can I ask a question about that tool specifically? So with the brush, the edges of that line are blurred a little bit. Does the blurring, does that, I guess, feathering, stay in your selection, or does that go away?
No,
Like,
yeah, it stays in your selection. So if you don't want that blurred look, then you're going to go up here in the options bar, top left-hand corner. You're going to click on that tick mark, and you're going to change the hardness value to 100%. That's going to give you a crisp edge.
okay, great.
And so now when I paint, you can see how the edging is very, very crisp. Versus if I come up here and I change the hardness value to a lower percentage and then paint, notice I have a soft edge, or what's known as feathered.